How's it going, guys? My name is... Oh, one second.
He doesn't know his name. Hold on.
I forgot for a second. I forgot for a second. Let me. Good point.
I got you.
How's it going, guys? My name is Voss, and if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know when this is going to air in retrospect to the other thing we just did, like the little first second impressions video, but today we're doing something a little different. I have a crisp $20 bill. The channel doesn't make any money, so the budget really didn't allow for much more than this. So it's taped to the windshield over there. There you go. So what we're gonna do is, this thing's only got about 170 miles of range, but from what I understand, doesn't matter where the battery's at, it should still accelerate the exact same way. We're gonna test that out real quick. Earlier, you felt the full beans. This thing's got some power, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So
I was so curious to see how this is gonna go.
we're gonna go back to where we were. I'm gonna stop it and just punch it. And we're gonna see if she can grab the $20 bill. It's gonna be the Tesla cash grab or something like that. So
Tesla cash grab cab.
I like
Maybe
that.
that's not technically. It will be a text cab one day.
Yeah, we're gonna do the. I think the fart thing's still on.
Oh my God! You shouldn't have told me.
All right, so let's do it. What are you thinking right now?
I'm thinking that Kevin offered. It's still got me.
I completely forgot about that. Wow, I love that it's randomized.
I know, I love it. But I'm thinking that Kevin said he was gonna buy my lunch if I can get this.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
And it's $20.
And so this is the thing. From a dig, I don't know. Once we get past 60, I think it would be an easy grab. Right. So we're gonna do this up to 60.
Up to 60.
Yeah, just because I just feel like any more than 60 and it's gonna be super easy.
Yeah.
So
basically I've only got 3.2 seconds.
3.2 rated. 3.2 seconds, right?
To grab it.
And no cheating with the head start. You gotta start back. Which actually, I don't know if starting ahead might actually give you a disadvantage because it might pull you back. Yeah. But you know, your hands gotta stay down. No pulling your hands up. So.
I think you should start with your head back against the headrest.
Okay.
That's probably give you the best advantage because if you start ahead, it'll probably dump you back first. Then
You're right. So basically, as soon as you hit the gas, I'm gonna try and go forward.
Yeah, pretty much. That's kind of your cue.
Okay.
Yep.
Don't you laugh at me.
No, I think they're gonna. Honestly, I think they're gonna do it. I don't. So? Yeah, I mean this thing.
I have been working out lately.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Just gonna crunch your abs all the way into the front. But no, I've only ever seen something like this with like a supercharged Lambo and like stuff like that. Never with this. And I'm sure it's way more visceral in the Model S P100D, but you know, again, this channel doesn't make any money, so this is the only budget. This is all we got. We got a Model S or Model 3 Performance and $20, so that's how
it's not that cheap.
No, this is still very expensive.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm kind of curious.
I'm very curious. But I think I'm looking at it.
You might. I believe in you.
Maybe if we can get Tesla to let us test drive a performance Model S.
Hey,
you can do an overnight now. Did you know that? You can borrow a Tesla for overnight, apparently.
Really?
Yeah,
I did not know that.
I don't know if they'll let you do the performance 100.
I don't know. I mean, it doesn't hurt to ask.
Or whatever.
The fact that they even let you do an overnight at all is...
So, Elon, if you're watching this, if this video gets 5 likes, all right, you need to give up. You need to let us borrow a Model S P100D with Ludacris so we can try this theory again, and I will. I will bring a crisp $100 bill the next time we try that and see what happens.
You know, there's a $1,000 bill.
I don't want to know if that's real.
Apparently, I don't know. That's a rumor.
There's that parking lot right there.
I'm actually just gonna stop.
Okay, just do it from here.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
And do I get a warning?
3, 2, 1, go.
Damn it, my seatbelt locked! That's not fair! That's not fair! Let's do it again!
All right, one more.
I'm gonna hold my seatbelt out because that's not fair.
So, sounds like she owes you lunch, right?
I think I would have got
Sounds
it.
like she owes you lunch.
Yeah, I mean.
No, that was not
Oh,
fair.
okay.
No, you didn't expect the unexpected, so
All right,
I was
ready?
trying to high five me. I'm like,
Oh,
what?
no.
I didn't win.
take your seatbelt off.
I know.
Three,
Well, I'm not gonna take it off. I'm just gonna hold
3,
it out.
2, 1, go.
Got it!
Okay. So if your seatbelt doesn't lock, it's a we just got some deer. Okay. Neat. There's a bunch of deer over here. Sorry.
Oh.
Sidetracked. Okay, so that more deer, but
We need the 100.
yeah, we need to. So what we need to do is, so from what it sounds like is, if you couldn't touch your seatbelt and it did what it's supposed to do
It'll
safety wise,
lock, yeah.
there's no possible way you're getting
It's a
that.
good job, Tyler.
Yeah.
You almost had it.
So the car's safe. That's what we've determined.
Yes.
But if you give yourself just a little, if you cheat, well,
That's not cheating.
I'm just kidding.
You cheated.
Hey, I didn't know that. I did not know I was gonna do that.
I didn't either.
But so well, from what I'm understanding from this is we need a P100D,
Yes.
and we need to try this again and see if it's any faster.
Yep.
Go ahead and tape it back on. We'll do one on our way back and just see what happens.
Okay, I can still see where it was taped before, so. It's a little lower, actually, so it's a little bit farther away.
What were you expecting was gonna
I
happen?
think you should let it take off first.
And then pull it?
Why?
Oh, now you're just giving her help.
No. I think you should let it take off first. Give it, a second before you lean forward. Because the initial takeoff is not as forceful as a second into it.
I mean,
I see what he's saying.
We could try it. That first pull just made me so nervous. I'm gassy. The IBS.
All right, that's gonna we're gonna have to more to come with that. More to
Tesla,
come.
get me to the restroom fast.
Oh,
All right.
yeah, warn me though, so I can pull my seatbelt up.
Yeah. No, maybe I'll just do it. We're gonna pop back that way. Oh, ooh, that was aggressive. I'm just gonna do it. Screw it.
And your battery really isn't going down much while you are doing
Yeah,
that.
we've had a lot of fun with this, and
Yeah.
it really hasn't dropped down much at all.
I'm really surprised by that. I thought it would drop a lot more. Hours of entertainment.
All right, are you ready?
Yes. So I'm waiting a second now before I jump.
I'm not telling you how to win this game.
Wait till it gets 5-10 miles an hour.
I
I guess that won't
Okay.
be much. Yeah, just wait a second.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, she missed it. She
pulled me
missed
back
it.
again.
She missed it.
No, my seatbelt got me again.
Oh,
Because I
nope.
let go.
Okay, stop
Wait, dig it,
stop
dig
right
it.
here. Stop right here. Got you.
Let me,
Here.
Oh, are you going to hold it for me?
Yep, I got
Okay.
you.
1 sec. I'll let
Somebody
this.
behind us.
Yeah, I'll let this guy go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. So it really comes down to this. Okay, so if the seatbelt locks, which it does pretty much right away, there's no chance you're getting it.
Right.
And as
No chance.
as soon as that seatbelt lets off. So really,
Yeah, but the point is for the G's of the
car, to throw you back.
Don't get me wrong, it's fast.
Yeah, it pulls really
I'm
hard.
just,
Yep.
I've been working out at the gym.
Elon, we need a
P100D, a crisp $1,000 bill from what it sounded like.
Yes.
And we'll have to give this another run at it.
Yes.
But all right, so what do you think?
I love it. And now I'm $20 richer. Thanks.
Yeah, so all right guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Check us out on Instagrams, YouTube, somewhere right here. And you got anything else you want to say?
No, I had a blast. Thanks for
Yeah, this was,
Yeah, let
let's
me
get
do
the
that.
official YouTube handshake on camera, to let people know this actually
it's
happened.
real.
Yeah.
This is not photoshopped. Look at it. It's not
Yep,
photoshopped.
nope, this actually happened. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.